Good morning, everyone. Today I'm here to share a project that I've been working on, and it's Christmas ornaments, of course. Boy, I'll be glad when I get my ornaments done and get back to regular things. So I picked these up at the Goodwill thrift store, and what they are is these cones, the metal cones, and these were painted like a very light cream color, and it's kind of shabby, but that's the way they're supposed to be. And on the inside there's a little metal bow here, which I've covered up. So this is the first one. I put two types of dangled trim on it, and then around the center I put the 3-row cup chain, and then on the top this is how they came. But they're very, very pretty, very shabby. The tops have been sugared on some of the beads. And then, of course, you got the stamens in there. So I left the top plain. I just left it just the way it was. And put the trim on. I might go back and put a couple little things in the center of each one of those. So it's just this trim, and then some regular fringe trim on this one. Very pretty. Then the next one I did, there was a set of 3 that I was able to find, is this one. This one's got the flowers. The flowers come with a pearl, and it comes with this bottom to it. See if I can separate that. There we go. Just like that. Very long dangle parts. And then the other trim I used was the vine trim. And these all come in yards. You buy them by the yard. So that's that one. And it's the same cone. You can make your own cone. It don't have to be made out of metal. You can make it out of plastic or paper or whatever you want to do. So that's this one, flowers all the way around, very pretty. And then my last one is this one. Excuse me. I put the regular fringe trim on this down here, and then I put the silver fringe trim. It's a loop trim, and I left it loopy, I left it shaggy. Now you can see I've got one long piece over here, but that's okay. And then I put some more 3-row cup chain on it. And the top is the same. You can go ahead and put glitter and whatever you want to do to the top, but I kind of like it like this. And this one, the fringe is very, very light on it, so I can show you the bow that's underneath, kind of. Excuse me. But see, there's that metal bow. So try making some of these. These are very Victorian and shabby, and all the things that we love about our craft. I love this. So those are my 3 that I will be mailing to someone. And I think they're just so pretty. Very simple. Simple to do. I love simple crafts, even though it took me a day to do them. So thank you for coming in and seeing this. I don't know when I'm going to post this. I've got so many to post. I'm trying to limit two to a day, so it'll be up there soon. Thank you all for coming in, and stop by and see us on Wednesdays, 12:30 Eastern Time. And share some time with us. We'd love to have you. I don't know if it's going to be at Brandy's or at mine, so just check us out. We'll figure it out. Okay, guys, thank you for stopping in. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.